Good morning na po mga igsoon, mga kapatid. Another day, another life. So, it's a beautiful morning na naman. At sana maganda rin yung umaga ninyo. And as usual, amping and God bless natong tanan.